guy.
Oh my god!
Oh.
No, it's the wall.
You should probably slow down.
How funny would that be?
If the truck crashed? That'd be insane, dude. And also, I have it on video.
That'd be sick.
No. Seriously? Actually?
It's a truck!
Oh my god, is that the same guy?
Oh!
Dude, he had a crash
I'm
out.
so happy!
So you're telling me this guy... hey.
Oh, you love to see it. That's him. That's
Yeah.
the guy. Oh!
Amazing. At least he only crashed himself.
Oh my god, that's so funny. That's so funny. Oh wait. What the? Oh. Oh my god, baby. What the?
Bro, what the hell?
What the? What
Really
that?
just... You...
What the? What's that? I have to open my windows.
I know.
Because analytics say third time through the lineup you're not as effective. Well, maybe that's true. But you know what? Maybe not on that
What the
day.
fuck are you doing?
For the love.
For show.
This is giving taxi driver right now.
Huh?
This is giving taxi driver right now. This all.
That freaked me out. I thought that guy was coming to get me.
Super good, yeah. I think we were all like, oh Jesus. This guy's retarded. Look. Ah! Ah! Oh my god.
Video locked.
Jesus. Oh.
This stranger is different from them in other ways too. Come in here so we can take care of you, the old man says, as the girl nods encouragingly. I think of my attacker driving around in his white van, his gun in his lap, searching for the girl who got away. I stand up, wobbly. The limo door opens, and the old man slides over to make room for me. The old man...
Dude, pay attention. Pay attention! Sakes. People.
Switching the beat, I don't know my stylist. They wanted something that sounded like Violet. I said, okay, then go listen to Violet. Crying about it, then cueing the violence.
That dude's tire just exploded.
Oh, yeah.
I keep on winning, feel like I'm
Oh.
Wow.
Should we hop out?
I'm sorry, but no, I don't pity the links. My story that's going against me. I paved a new way. If I want it, I get it. I'm pity. Whoa. Yeah.
Oh, that's
and year over year over year, that number is going to grow very, very quickly. The amount of just pure silicon that needs to be activated against each of us for us to be participants in society is...
Oh wow. I got that on my camera. Oh wow. Let's go see if everyone's okay. Oh no.
What the f was that? Sorry.
Nah, mind those ones.
Oh my goodness. That's channel worthy.
Oh my god, you did amazing. Holy, how did she do that? And everyone else. Oh, stay like this for a minute, please. Stay for a minute like this.
Yeah, I was trying to slow down. That's why I got in the right lane.
Wow, you did amazing.
Just hit me.
You said your phone was broken, just forgot to charge it. Whole outfit you're wearing, God, I hope it's ironic. Did you just say you're finished? Didn't know it started. It's all just so familiar, baby. What do you call it? Stupid. Or is it slow? Maybe it's useless.
Still in the center. Quarter mile later. All of you.
Video protected.
Come on, bruh. Why you got dents in the back of your